Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here on this chilly but nice day, and I think I'm going to do some planting. I still have my allium bulbs that I've had for a while now, and this is the perfect time to plant them. A little late, maybe, but still good. The ground is still workable, so I can get them in. Let me show you what they look like. So this is what they look like, or they're supposed to look like. They're assorted, so they're all different colors. And it says that they're huge ball-shaped flowers. They are perennials, so they come back every year, and they do multiply. Now, alliums are just ornamental onions, so... Oh, that one looks like it has a little bad spot, but I'm going to plant it anyways. But they're just onions, really. Ornamental onions, not the type of onions that you eat. And that's how they look in the bag. So this is my little helper here. Her nose is getting a little red, so I don't know how much help she's gonna be. So it's all about planting these allium bulbs today, guys. So here's a lovely view of the Globe Master allium, which everybody seems to really love because they're so tall and majestic. So I've cleared this section in the side garden, which I think will be perfect because right around here and around here, I get two big hostas that come out. So they will be able to hide the foliage from the allium plant. So I think that would be a perfect area to put them. Now, it's best to leave the foliage on the allium plant and let them just die back naturally so that they can store as much energy as possible for the next year, like with most bulbs. But, allium foliage tends to be quite brown and kind of tattered looking when the flower is actually in bloom. So if you plant it around with other plants and kind of tuck them in, it'll kind of hide that ugly foliage until you're able to cut it off and still have that beautiful globe-like flower. There are hundreds and hundreds of different types of alliums. They come in various sizes. Some are quite tall with big giant globe flowers. Some are quite small, the chive variety. They come in white. They come in various colors of purple, deep purple, lilac, any type of allium that fits your garden or your taste, I'm sure is out there somewhere. Now, when you're planting alliums, you have to remember to keep the pointy side up and space them about 5 inches apart to maybe about 5 inches down in the ground. Well, alliums are pretty easy to grow and they pretty much tolerate any kind of soil as long as it's well draining. They don't like to be in any soil that's kind of waterlogged or anything like that. They are hardy to zone 4 and they love being in the sunlight. And the good thing is that they will naturalize and multiply, so you'll get an abundance of alliums in years to come. Now, the best time to plant alliums are in the fall, of course, when you're planting your tulips and daffodils, because they do need that cold period in order for them to have that nice springtime flowering. And one of the best things about these little bulbs is that the squirrels and the deer and all the chipmunks, they don't like the taste of these ornamental onions, so they don't dig up your bulbs and eat them like they do the tulips. And here I'm just kind of clearing away some of the plant material and the leaves that I've been using for mulch around my garden this year, just to make a little way to plant some of the bulbs in the front here. Now, traditionally, they do better in the kind of the back because they do grow kind of tall. But like I said, in the front areas here, I have quite a bit of ferns and hostas that'll kind of cover up the ugly foliage. So you'll just see that nice spiky bloom coming up. And look at that, I unearthed one of my begonia tubers. I thought I'd pick them all up, but that's one more I get to save and plant again for next year. Bonus. So that's it for this one, guys. I'm going to continue planting these allium bulbs, and I'm going to ask you to give me a thumbs up, or if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Let's be garden friends. Till next time, guys, take care. I guess my helper's just about had it.